and welcome to my channel Knitting Kitty. Look at all the yarn I have here. Don't worry, we won't use all the yarn. In fact, we will need just a little bit of brown, just a little bit of beige and just a little bit of pink. And in the end, we will have this cute two-sided cat keychain. It's an easy, quick and super fun project. The size of the keychain is approximately 6 centimeters. Let's see the rest of the materials we will need and let's get started. First, we're going to crochet the head of the cat. In fact, we have to crochet 2 heads. I'm going to use light brown color yarn. The weight yarn is sport or fine. I'm going to use Alize Cotton Gold. Make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into it. For the next round, crochet an increase in each stitch of the previous round. For round 3, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then in the next one make an increase. 1 single crochet, then make an increase. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 18 stitches. For round 4, crochet single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat 2 single crochet, then make an increase. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 24 stitches. For the round 5, let's crochet single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then again make an increase. 3 single crochet, then in the following stitch make an increase. At the end of the round you will have 30 stitches. For round 6, crochet single crochet in the first 4 stitches, then make an increase. Repeat 4 single crochet, then make an increase in the following stitch. Repeat till the end of the round until you have 36 stitches. For round 7, crochet single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then make an increase in the next stitch. Now you have to repeat the following steps 5 times. Crochet single crochet in the next 5 stitches, then make an increase. And now repeat 5 single crochet, then make an increase in the next stitch. You have to repeat these steps 5 times. Finish the round crocheting 3 single crochet in the last 3 stitches. In total, you will have 42 stitches. For round 8, which is our last round, make slip stitch in the first stitch, then crochet a single crochet in the next stitch, then crochet a half double crochet in the next stitch. Next, crochet in one stitch, 2 double crochet, then chain 2, then crochet another 2 double crochet, all in one stitch. This will be our first ear. Then crochet a half double crochet next stitch, single crochet next stitch, and then make slip stitch in the next 3 stitches. Continue crocheting a single crochet in the next stitch, a half double crochet in the next stitch, then again in one stitch you have to crochet 2 double crochet, then chain 2, and again make another 2 double crochet. After that, crochet a half double crochet in the next stitch and a single crochet in the next stitch. After that, continue crocheting single crochet in each stitch till the end of the round. To finish the head, make a slip stitch in the first 2 stitches of the previous round, fasten off and hide the tail. Then crochet one more piece as this one. Next step is to crochet the muzzle. Use beige or white color yarn. Make a magic ring, then chain 2. These 2 chains do not count as a stitch. Then crochet 8 half double crochet into the magic ring. Make a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet you've made. For the second and final round, chain 2, then crochet an increase in every half double crochet of the previous round. We will have 16 stitches in total. Make a slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet, fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. Now we have to embroider the nose on top of the muzzle. I'm going to use the brand Alize Bella, which is 100% cotton yarn, in light pink for one of the muzzles and dark pink for the other one. I recommend using a smaller darning needle to embroider the nose. When we finish embroidering the nose, we have to sew the muzzle on the head. Position the muzzle approximately in the center of the head, 2 rounds above the lower edge of the head. Next step is to embroider the whiskers. I'm going to use a light fingering yarn in black and a small darning needle. Finally, we have to make the eyes. For one of the cat faces, I will use the same black thin yarn and I will embroider both eyes. For the other cat face, I will use felt in black and white. I'll cut 2 small circles. The white circles is 1 centimeter in diameter and the black circle is 0.5 centimeter in diameter. First, sew the black one on top of the white circle using black thread and sewing needle. Then sew the white circle just above the muzzle. I will embroider the other eye, and this way we will have a winking face. Now we have to join the two heads, the two faces of the cat. Cut a long tail in light brown. Using a darning needle, start sewing both parts together. Finally, fasten off and hide the yarn tails. To complement the look of the cat or cats, I've added two small bows. Finally, you have to just add a small chain and your cat keychain is ready. I really hope you've enjoyed my tutorial. See you soon!